She's in the neighbor's yard, but she's so pretty. Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. Chicken. Hello. You're so pretty. Hi, pretty girl.